Hey guys, it's Mr. Edgett here. Just wanted to show you how to log into Khan Academy. So what I have up here is I have the Boyertown Area School District webpage. So what you'll want to do is you want to scroll down. Down here you have four different options. There's the calendar, Google Apps, staff email, and Infinite Campus. You guys want to click the G for Google Apps. That's going to reroute you to the authentication portal. So this is where you would actually log in like what you guys would do every time you log into a laptop in my classroom. So you want to type in your school login. I'm going to log in using somebody else's account. Type in your password. Click sign in. If it asks you to save the password, if you're using Google Chrome, you can go ahead and do that. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to save this password. So that'll take you straight to your email. So from your email, if you go up here to where the waffle is, there's 3 dots by 3 dots, and you click that, you can access your email, your Drive, Google Classroom. What you want to do is you want to click Google Classroom. And yours isn't going to show, I have all of my classes in here. Yours is just going to show either Mr. Edgett's or Mrs. Rick's. You want to click mine. And up at the top of the stream, I posted the Khan Academy link. So from there, you just want to click the link. And what Khan Academy is doing is it's going to actually recognize that you've logged in using Google. So it's going to log you in right away. You won't actually see this board. This is the teacher board. What you'll see is the student board. So if you're not getting into Khan Academy, what should actually show up here is all of the assignments to get started on. Mine's going to look different because I'm logged in as a teacher. If you're not getting to the Khan Academy login screen, what you didn't do is you didn't log into Google first. You have to be logged into Google first in order to log into Khan, because your Khan Academy login is associated with your Google login. Hope that helps. I hope that makes a little bit of sense. Again, if you're lost, you can always go back to Classroom and just click the link from there. And then in this board is where you'll see the assignments.